Hello children, welcome back to my channel. Today let's practice writing numbers together like this. Let's practice the numbers 1 to 20, then up to 100. Number 1 to 10. Say and write. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. चलिए लिखते हैं. स्टैंडिंग लाइन, स्लैंटिंग लाइन एंड स्लिपिंग लाइन. 1. Curve and slipping line. 2. Curve and another curve. 3. Standing line, slipping line, then standing line. 4. Slipping line, standing line, curve. 5. 6. 7. 8 9 1 0 10. Say and write 1 to 10. Write number 1 to 10. Ones, tens. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 1 0 10. Ones, 10. Count and match 1 to 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Count and match 5 to 10. 6 7 8 9 10. Say and write 11 to 20. Ones, tens. 1 1 11. 1 2 12. 1 3 13. 1 4 14. 1 5 15. 1 6 16. 1 7 17. 1 8 18. 1 9 19. 2 0 20. आप लोग यहाँ लिख सकते हैं 1 tens, 1 1 11, 1 2 12. 1 tens, 3 1 31, 3 2 32, 3 3 33, 3 4 34, 3 5 35, 3 6 36, 3 7 37, 3 8 38, 3 9 39, 4 0 40, 4 1 41, 4 2 42, 4 3 43, 4 4 44, 4 5 45, 4 6 46, 4 7 47, 4 8 48, 4 9 49, 5 0 50, 5 1 51, 5 2 52, 5 3 53, 5 4 54, 5 5 55, 5 6 56, 5 7 57, 5 8 58, 5 9 59, 6 0 60, 6 1 61, 6 2 62, 6 3 63, 6 4 64, 6 5 65, 6 6 66, 6 7 67, 6 8 68, 6 9 69, 7 0 70, 7 1 71, 7 2 72, 7 3 73, 7 4 74, 7 5 75, 7 6 76, 7 7 77, 7 8 78, 7 9 79, 8 0 80, 8 1 81, 8 2 82, 8 3 83, 8 4 84, 8 5 85, 8 6 86, 8 7 87, 8 8 88, 8 9 89, 9 0 90, 9 1 91, 9 2 92, 9 3 93, 9 4 94, 9 5 95, 9 6 96, 9 7 97, 9 8 98, 9 9 99, 100 100, 1 stands thousand, 1 stands 100, 100. I hope you have really enjoyed watching our video on how to teach number to children. So I also posted an video on how to teach alphabet to children with curves and strokes. Do like my video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video. Okay, bye. Next video में मिलते हैं.